Hello, good evening, good afternoon. Today we're gonna talk about how to set up your sound on Skype. If you're using a voice meter or not, but also how you delete a contact that you don't want no more. Okay, we'll start with that one. Delete a contact that you don't want anymore. You could click contact. That's one way, okay? And then you go on to where it says the contact. I have two of those, okay, of the same thing, except its name a little bit different. There's one, and then there's another one here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll delete one of them. Okay, it's the same person. So you just click contact, and you right click and delete contact. Okay, if you click delete contact, that's one way to delete your contact. The next way, the next option that to delete contact also, it's a little bit more complicated, but you go into your settings, okay, then you go into contacts, privacy, view lists, and there you go. You see a list of contact, okay. But I don't see double neck of Marianne. I see one there, one there. Okay. So I don't know. I'll just go this way. Okay, I'll go here or the one down here. Right click and delete contact. Delete contact. And gone. Now there's only one. Well, there's this one. This is a computer. Okay, you can contact to computer. If you have a phone, you have to pay for it. So much you have to buy credits. Okay, to make phone call to landline phone calls. It's handy for that. She could be in U.S. Okay, or Canada, and it would be about $3 and some a month. About that. Okay. Okay. Now, next thing I'm gonna show you in here, it's how to check your sound. If your sound is not working or if you have problems with your sound, make sure that you have the right device, okay, to get it to work. Because right now in Windows, I'm running voice meter, okay? So that means your choice in Skype has to be voice meter or whatever you want to run in default. So let's see here. Okay, under the audio and video, you go there. Okay, so and then there's me. Okay, my cam is working in there. Okay, you could set, you see where it says microphone, communication device, default communication device. And the same thing on speaker. Okay, default communication device. Okay, so you could run it like that. So if you change something in Windows, okay, if you change, I'm on Windows 10. if you go in, where's speaker? Okay, my speaker is there. Go to sound. Okay, and I should have a sound window opening. Okay, there you go. Okay, you got playback and recording. Okay, all depends what you have set as default. I'm using voice meter. Okay, voice meter set as default, and here I'm using also voice meter, but it's going through a IQ, like equalizer, FX sound. Okay, it changes my quality of the sound a little bit. Okay, so I'm using this. If I'm using this, I have to make sure that is set to voice meter. Okay, the FX sound goes to voice meter. Okay, so now you can run that program as default, and then goes through voice meter. Okay, so that means that's all good. So we could use, doesn't matter, we could use voice meter, or we could use default communication device. It's your choice. Okay, so now we just switched it to, it was in voice meter before. I just switched it to default communication device. Now we could do a test that to see if our sound is working. Okay, you go to under contact. Okay, it's not under call or chat. Yeah, I could remove this. I don't want this Bing. Delete Bing. I don't want it. Like, it's pretty stupid to put Bing on Skype, if you ask me. Some people might like it, but I don't like it, and I don't want it. Okay, and anyways, okay, that's fine. Now what we're gonna contact, and we're gonna call the Echo Sound Test Service. Calling Skype. Gonna call that lady. Okay, click that phone on top here. You click it once. It's gonna go through. Hello? 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess he did not hear the her voice. Okay, you did not hear her voice, so cancel it. Let's go back in our setting, and now what we're gonna do is sort of work, but not with voice meter. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the audio, and we're gonna go in here and set both of them on voice meter. Okay, now we're gonna have voice meter working, and voice meter has something like stereo mix, or what you hear. Okay, built in on that program. Okay, well, now let's see if that's gonna work. When we're gonna do the same thing again, gonna go back to her Skype, and we'll make a call.
Hello, welcome to Skype call testing service. After the beep, please record a message. Afterwards, your message will be played back to you.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test, test, test. Thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Test, test, test. Thank you.
If you are able to hear your own voice, then you have configured Skype correctly. If you hear this message but not your own voice, then something is wrong with your audio recording settings. Please check your microphone and microphone settings or visit skype.com for more help. Thank you for using the Skype call testing service. Goodbye.
Okay, so that's how you test your Skype to see if your sound is working properly. So, like you've seen, I had that default. Okay, it was sort of working, but you did not hear the test. Okay, I wanted you to hear the test. So because I'm using voice meter, I'm able to do this. Okay, with my program that I do my video capture. Okay, so and there you go. So it works, and I'm not using stereo mix. I'm using voice meter. It's a virtual sound, but it's exactly what you hear. It goes onto the recording. Okay? So, anyways, that's how you do a few things on Skype. If you have a question, you could leave me a note on in the comments, and I thank you everybody that watches this video, and I hope it's helpful. Okay, goodbye, good evening, good night, till next time.